Hey, what's up guys, this is Aryan and you're watching Tech Saloon, and in this video I'm going to unbox the Fitbit Versa. So let's now get started. So opening up the box, we just have to pull off this tab, and then we'll go right into the Fitbit box, and I'll throw the box away. So opening up this box, we have nothing great. We just have the Fitbit Versa right up on the top, and then below that we have the Fitbit Versa startup guide. So taking out this watch is just a pleasure, because first time, it's a good job taking it out for the first time, because you just get that feel of the product. And then we have nothing else. We have just the startup guide, or the starting guide, which no one actually uses, so I'll throw it away. And then we have just a charger and a strap left in the box, and this is the small band, and this one is the or charging cradle, which I can say. And yes, a small strap is bundled in the box, and taking out the charger from this cardboard thing was a tough job for me. And yes, this is a voiceover. And so taking it out, we have nothing but the charging cradle and the USB cable end to it, and it's like a spring mechanism for the Fitbit to fit in right or great. And then that's my dog. If you like it, give this video a like. And now setting up this Fitbit Versa, we just have to go into App Store. So I am setting it up right now for the iPhone, so you can set it up for Android too. So you just have to go in App Store and search for Fitbit, and then you'll get the Fitbit app, and the brightness is messing up. So just click on get, and you will get the app in just a minute, or not in a minute if your net is slow. A bad joke. So moving on, not moving on, it's still downloading. Okay, so yes, I'm done with the download, and I am just clicking on open. And now I will click on join Fitbit, because I have not used any Fitbit before. And now I'll click on Versa, and then I'll set up this Fitbit. So now I will hide all my things, because I just don't want you guys to see all my things, my email ID, my password. So I'll be back in a minute. So yes, I'm done, and then I'm putting the birth date and the birth year. So this is not my watch, so this is not my birth date. And yes, this 152 centimeter height is also not mine, it's someone else's. So putting the height was a tough job for me, because finding 152 centimeter was not a easy job. And this is not for me, so I'll click on female and I'll go. So this is not my weight too, 56 kg. I just don't weigh 56. So now you just have to turn on Bluetooth, and yes, you have to scroll down and click on I agree, and you're almost there. And yes, I am also almost there by clicking I agree. Okay, now I'll have to turn on Bluetooth for that, and yes, it will connect in just a bit. And here we have 3 things which you have to read, like set it aside for 30 minutes to complete setup, charge Versa 50% or above. So you can read that by pausing the video. And yes, it is searching for my Versa and connecting to tracker, and you just have to enter the number or the OTP which you will see on your watch. So in my case it's 5246. And yes, it will take just a bit for it to connect to your Fitbit. And after you connect to Fitbit, you will be right in. So you'll get a green color tick mark, like it's a great thing. And yes, I'll click on pair, and it will connect to my Fitbit Versa. And yes, I have to update with Wi-Fi, so I'll have to connect this Fitbit to my Wi-Fi. So for that, I'll have to put in my Wi-Fi password, and I have to connect it, which I'll not show you. So here's what will go. If you will click on Wi-Fi, and in this case it is setting up, and it will just take a minute or so to set up. And so there will be 3 steps. It will first of all download, and then it will install it. So now you're almost done. If you like this video, give this video a like. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys later.